guys. We're back in here. We had to leave this bird this morning. It's Easter. We made it to church. I stayed on him till about 8:45. I just had a quick hunt this morning. I figured we got church and all of our suppers and dinners. Got them. Well, I figured I'd come over here last minute, see if I could put this bird back up on the roost and maybe get a chance at him in the morning. Either me or Josh, my brother, I got him to gobble one time. He's roosted right up here on the top of this mountain. Yet this morning, he went across up on that knob. So I'm thinking in the morning we get here early, slip up on that knob, and hopefully he'll pitch down and go around that same way, and we'll have some luck. Let's see if we can get him to gobble again. Some good sleep. I didn't realize he was that close. He's pretty dang close. I mean, he can probably see the truck. Morning, guys. We're back in here on this bird, the Easter bird. He got lucky yesterday. We ran out of time on him. I came back in here yesterday evening. As you'll see, I got him roosted up on that hill right there. I got my brother Josh, he's behind me. We're fixing to make a plan of attack and try to get him killed. See if we can get it done early. I'm gonna go back up on that, slip up on that knob above him. Pitch his back. Hopefully he walks the same way he did yesterday, and it won't be good for him, I don't think, if he comes that way. We're gonna see what happens. This little bottom and get on this lead and walk up. And we're right where he was at yesterday. So he's gobbling pretty good, so we're gonna see if we can get it done this morning. you ain't got a whole lot of time, I can tell you. I don't know if he's gonna come around. I don't know that. I know, but I feel like he is. Do you need to back out some? It's either gonna be the best thing you ever done in a way. Just be watching. It'll be hard to see him in this time. Be 30 yards where you see him. This dang bird has woke me twice. I thought we had him this morning. He seems like he's just gonna carry on doing what he does. I think he's done crossed the paved road back on the private, so ain't much we can do with that. Try him another day. Well, update. I thought he whooped us, but he ain't too far off. Dipped over this mountain, we come down the mountain. He's right out here, probably 150, 200 yards, gobbling. He hushed for a second. He made a jump. He come off of our lead. And went out through there about 200 yards. I don't know if we're gonna get him, but I'm gonna sit and listen to him for a second. I'm fixing to slide up to you. Behind you. 'Cause I ain't gonna see you. I'll see him. He's in the road. He's walking down the road. Yeah, I see him. Going left. See him? Right there in the body, strutting in the road. I see him. Can you still see him? Let him come close, he'll go. Yeah, that's good. That's what you want. I can't see. There's a big pine tree in our way. What tree? To the right. Which way is he going? Well, I guess I have to walk around. Move around a little bit if you got to. I don't know. I can't see him. Oh, he's probably 60, 70 yards. Going right. Oh, he wants to see something bad. house. You better get to where you can see. He's standing behind. He's coming left. Actually, he's coming right down your gun barrel. Do you see him now, don't you? I don't have him. He's still coming. Just let him come. Just got to let me know when you see him, but don't panic. 45. I can't see him right now. Which way's he going? There he is. Stay going. Oh, not yet. I am now. Yeah, go down here, get her, son. That's a freaking giant. That's a giant. Oh, give me some. I'm dead on him.
We worked that bird.
Oh, yeah. That Easter bird didn't get lucky today. I thought he whooped us. I done a little update while ago, but it didn't work out for him. He should have never came up in these woods. I think that's a freaking stud. He looks like he's got a rope. Try and get him before he tears up his finger. Pick that son gun up by the head. Woo. Double beards, I knew it. Big old freak.
Yeah.
God, dog. Yeah, that's a double beard. Yes, that's a giant. I bet you that's an old bird.
I stood him up on his back.
Oh yeah, you turned it up. Golly.
I mean, this bird started up way up there on that hill, worked his way to his bottom. And we were set up like I thought he was gonna come up that knob, but had to keep working it.
Oh, he gave us a runaround. There ain't no doubt about that.
Tagged out.
Tagged out in Georgia.
Good.
Wow, man.
Well, we chased this around the mountain this morning. Started out on one hill, we got on the other.
Yeah, you'll see in the video. Last night yesterday morning, Easter morning, I come in here, I've never stepped foot on this. This is National Forest, but I'd never been in here. I have a hunting club up the road. I came back down here and I said, I'm just gonna try it. I hadn't heard nothing up there. I got out and cut. He ain't 150 yards off the road. I messed with him there till 8:45 and I went to church. I went back yesterday evening. I had 20 minutes left for him to gobble. I got out and he gobbled up on the hill. I just turned and left. And Josh got off work. He worked all night.
It was worth it.
Yeah. Dang, I thought for sure. I said, I'll go back up here where he was strutting yesterday and he'll pitch across. I figured he'd pitch back on the ridge and come around the top on that bench and work his way across to us. But he come right down the bottom and right beside where we walked in at. And he got going back out towards private property. So Finally, we just pulled the plug on it. We was done with it. I thought he'd done whooped us again. I'd done a little check-in right there and saying we done got whooped, but he dang. I got right there and we listened to him 2 or 3 times. It sounded like he was coming back. We set up. I said, heck, we'll just sit there and listen to him. Well, I looked at the road and he's down there spitting and drumming in the paved road. We watched him come down the paved road. And he comes down there and he stands there for what, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
10, 15 minutes?
Same spot, just strutting.
Yeah, he wanted us to come down there. He wanted to see the hens. He wanted to come to us. Finally, he couldn't take it. He came walking right up through here, 30, 35 yards. It worked out.
Tore them feathers up strutting on the road too, like you were talking about.
He done grinded them off. That asphalt.
I've never seen nothing like that.
That's a dang pretty bird.
Double beard.
Big
old beard.
I knew when I seen him coming down through there, you could just see that big old beard.
Yeah.
I was like, God almighty.
I know. I seen him coming through the woods. I'm like, oh, yep, he's in the woods.
Oh, Lord.
So we had to actually crawl on our bellies from our original spot because we was about to be in trouble. We was about to be just listening to him other than killing him.
He's about to be dead behind us. He's about to pull those slip on us again.
So we crawled on our bellies up this little bank and was watching us holler, and he come up to it and off the road.
Won't be that. Public land bear 2023. Josh is tagged out.
Tagged out. Camera boy now.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm good with it.
Got it done.